Yo, it's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Ram 1500 Sport in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. Come to the front here. There's dots on the front bumper, and those are front ParkSense parking sensors. There's 2 fog lamps. This has projector style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with high beams and LED turn signals, and those are the running lights too. Crosshairs grille in the front looking sharp. It is partly color matching and the other is chrome. It has a very unique style to it. Come to the side here. This truck is running on 20-inch alloy rims, and they look really nice. This has 4-wheel disc brakes all around and mud flats behind all 4 tires. And the tires are Rovello Ridge Track mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights, and they are color matching. You can break them away if you want. And they are heated mirrors as well. Color matching door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. This does have the proximity key fob. It is in my pocket right now. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle like this. You have the key fob on you, and they'll unlock the doors for you. You always press that black button right there to lock up this Ram 1500 Sport when you're done with it. There's storage down below with 2 big cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, nice stitching. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic, and this does have power folding in mirrors. Press this button here, you can fold the mirrors in case you need to park in a tight parking spot, and then when you pull out, you can press this button again, and the mirrors will go back out to where they were. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors, and dark chrome styling touches. Move inside here, this has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there. That button will turn on the box lights. That'll turn on the fog lights. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. And it is a tilt steering wheel too. This does have power adjustable pedals. You move the pedals closer or further away from your feet by using those buttons right there. And behind the steering wheel, there are steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. The seats are so comfortable to sit in, and there's adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram truck. There is a power sunroof up top. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. There's a nice Ram badge there. Grab this chrome handle. There is an upper storage area here, and there's a change holder. There's a USB port, an auxiliary port, an SD card port right there, connect to your media, so plug anything into these areas and you can play the music through the Alpine Sound System. And there's another USB port right there. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower, there's even more storage space down here, and there's a CD player, and there's a ledge there for some pens. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here with bubbles to hold your cups into place. There is a cell phone holder. There is a 12-volt DC power outlet, even more storage space, and a little storage area right there. This has an auto-dimming rear view mirror and LED interior lighting throughout. And there's a handle right here so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. Now the back doors open up nice and wide so anybody can easily get into the back seat area. There's storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, nice stitching, great style. Convenience handle here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. There's 2 big cup holders down here, and there's a fold down armrest, and there's 2 more cup holders. Adjustable headrests in the back seats too. Hooks up top so you can hang out nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. You can turn the interior light here on just by pushing it like that. Push it again, it will shut off. It's on right now because the door is opened. There's 12-volt DC power outlet down here, a nice Ram badge, directional air vents which you can close and easily open up. And you know what? There's insulated, removable, in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here, keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. The seats do fold up for you like this, and there is a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage, and it easily folds back just like that. Underneath here, there's even more storage space, and there's a little clip here so you can secure this like so. There's LED lights built into the bottom of the seats. They light up the feet area for you at nighttime so you can see where your feet are. And there's extra speakers up top connected to the Alpine Sound System. This has LED tail lamps on the back, dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. The box lights are just up there. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this truck. Those dots on the back bumper are Rear ParkSense Parking Sensors. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. Open up the tailgate. This does have spray and bed liner, and there's hooks in all four corners so you tie on your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate. And a nice Ram badge and 4x4 badge is there too. Let's go to the other side. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. Power window switch, great style. Convenience handle right here. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Insulated, removable, in-floor storage area. This side also flips up, and there is a fold-out gate here. And you can put things underneath or on top of it, and there's two cutouts for the cup holders in the middle. Easily folds back, and underneath here, there's a subwoofer connected to the Alpine Sound System, adding to the already great audio that the system has. And there's a little clip there so you can secure this, and there's an LED light built into the bottom of the seat. Love it. You can unlock all the doors by putting your hand around the passenger door handle too if you have the key fob on you. Always press that black button right there to lock up the Ram when you're done with it. Storage down below with two cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, spot for some pens or packs of gum, directional air vent which you can close and open, lower glove box here with a manual and some other goodies, upper glove box here with a convenience light, convenience handle right here for the front passenger. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support too, and underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the front seats, there's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. This is the proximity key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice big Ram badge on the back. This also has remote start, so all you gotta do is hit this button twice. The doors are locked and the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then you can put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handles to unlock the truck and hop inside, or you can just hit the unlock button right here, get inside. You keep this key fob in your pocket, or you can put it down below here in this large storage area. Then all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here and press the push button, start button, and I'll get you past the remote start system. Check out all the gauges, they just look great. There's a large LCD driver information center screen in the middle, and this truck only has 89,139 kilometers on it. Not too bad, definitely come book a test drive soon. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. This does have voice recognition. Cancel. Using voice recognition, you can tell the GPS navigation to put it in a certain address so you can go there. That is super cool. And if a call comes through Bluetooth, you can answer the call just by pushing that button right there. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center screen. And the first thing you'll see is that there's a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info area here, tells you your oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, tire pressures for all four tires, transmission temperature, oil temperature, and back to your oil life. You have your fuel economy here, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and easily reset that. There you go. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. It tells you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and time in driving for. You can reset one or both of those very easily. Trailer tow area lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this truck wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. Got a compass there, outside thermometer, some blank spaces. Go here and you can customize what's on the screen. And back to the digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. And if I throw this truck into reverse using the rotary style gear shifter, that shows up your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors on the screen here. So if you get close to an object, front or behind you, the system here will let you know how close you're getting to an object by sounding audible beeps, and there'll be lights flashing on here as well. And the backup camera also shows up on the touchscreen Uconnect system here, and if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. And you can turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors just by using these buttons here, and I'll warn you on the screen here that you turned off ParkSense. Easily turn it back on again, just like this. Push button 4-wheel drive is right down here, and this does have 4-wheel drive auto, trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode. This does have heated and ventilated seats, and there's 2 settings for both, and this also has a heated steering wheel. Handy to have. 115 volt AC power outlet, another great spot for some pens or packs of gum. This does have dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Ram 1500 to adjust your climate control for you. Driver's temperature, passenger temperature. This will turn on the heated mirrors, front defrost, air conditioning recirculate button. This will adjust your fan speed. Turn the screen off here if you don't look at it. Touch it with your finger. It comes back on. You have your hazards here. A back button to help you guide to your system. This is a tuning knob. Browse button for your audio. Volume knob, mute button for your audio. Directional air vents here, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these. There's a nice Ram badge up here, a little spot for some things. And here's the logo for the Alpine Sound System, letting everybody know that you have that fantastic audio. And up here, there is a programmable garage door opener, a switch here for the rear sliding window, so you can easily open that up. And there's reading lamps up here, fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights. And these sun visors are breakaway, and they do slide out for you. And up here are buttons for the power sunroof. Just push this button once, and the power sunroof will open up right before your eyes. And when it's opened, it lets in lots of fresh air and plenty of sunlight. And here is the touchscreen Uconnect system. This has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. You can direct tune into a specific radio station, just like this. You can adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, and more. Access to a mini map, connected to GPS navigation right there. Hold one of the boxes up here. You can easily set a preset. It tells you a time, outside temperature. There's a compass, whether your heated seats or heated steering wheel is on, or the ventilated seats, and I'll tell you what the temperature is set at for both dual climate control. Press the media button here. If you have something in the SD card port, a Bluetooth device connected, something in the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a CD in the CD player, go here and you can listen to music through those areas. Touchscreen controls for the heated and ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer there, and you also access the backup camera without this truck being in reverse. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff that you have. Touchscreen climate control, easily adjust where you want the air to go. Unsync and sync the temperatures. Set the temperature with just your finger, adjust your fan speed and more. GPS navigation area, view the map, gives you a great view of where you are, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map, go menu, go where to, put an address, search out points of interest and more. Bluetooth area here, pair phone, make hands-free calls. You can pair more than one device. Everything you do on your phone, make a call, you do hands-free on touchscreen Uconnect system here. Go radio, and if I turn up the volume, the sound quality for the Alpine Sound System is great. Turn it back down just like this, or you can press the mute button there. I love the piano black styling touches on the front here and on top, and the dark chrome styling touches throughout. Definitely come check out this truck soon. Check this out. There's also LED lights in the box. Very cool. That complements the lights up here very well. It's the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, it has the Alpine Sound System, a very spacious interior, very comfortable seats, lots of technology. It's fun to drive, smooth on the roads. It has great styling, and it's just an overall blast of a truck. Come book a test drive at Crosstown today. I'm David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.